Hello students, now we will be solving memory-based questions of GATE 19. For more video solution on GATE 19, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click bell icon for instant notification.
Hello students, I am Akhilesh Mathur and we are going to solve one 2 marks question from the Geotechnical Engineering which has been asked in the GATE 2019 in morning session. The question was theoretical question. There were 3 statements are given. The first statement is saying, and we need to find which is true, which is false. In that way, we need to find, these are 4 options for this. So the first statement was, statement P, the lateral stress in soil while being tested in odometer is always at rest. First of all, this test we are doing for the consolidation of soil. So during the consolidation of soil, we are following the Terzaghis theory, and Terzaghis theory is based on 1D consolidation. So lateral pressure will be definitely on the rest. We are not considering any lateral stress. It means this P statement is true. Okay. Second, the perfectly rigid strip footing at deeper depth in sand deposit, the vertical normal contact stress at footing edge is greater than its center. Here we want to ask you about the contact pressure distribution on the rigid footing. If we know if our footing is rigid, that time settlement will be uniform. We will face uniform settlement in case of rigid footing. Uniform settlement. But the pressure from the soil will be non-uniform. For clay it's different, for sand it's different. So for sand, the variation of the contact pressure is something like this. Okay. This is the variation for sand. Okay. It means at edge it is 0, at center it is maximum. Okay. So what it has written? It has written at footing edge it is greater and then its center. Means at center it should be less and at edge it should be greater. But it doesn't happen. At edge it is 0 and at center it is maximum. It means this is false sentence. This sentence is false. Okay. Now third. Statement number R. The correction for this statement from pile foundation, SPT test. So the correction for overburden and water table means dilatancy correction are not applied to SPT number in clay deposit. First of all, for clay deposit, we are not going to do the SPT number test. We are not going to do the standard penetration test. What is the reason? Because it's a dynamic hammer. Because we are using hammer in this SPT test. So because of the dynamic effect, the clay will get remolded. So we are not using this test in clay deposit. So no need of then any correction. It means this correction is not applied for clay. Yes, it's not applied for clay. This is true sentence. So P is true, Q is false, and R is true. So the option number B will be the correct option. In this question, they have actually concluded 3 chapters. Consolidation. Second is again consolidation. Okay, fine. Means this topic can be from consolidation, can be from foundation engineering also. And this is from SPT number test. Okay, standard penetration test. So again, this all the statements are like from the assumptions point of view. This is based on the assumption of Terzaghis theory. This is based on the assumption of contact pressure distribution, and this is based on the assumption for basic introduction of SPT test. Okay, so this B is the correct answer. First, we are not applying lateral stress at rest because this is 1D in Terzaghis applicable only for 1D. For this, the complete opposite thing has given. True is this. And for this in clay we are not using at all SPT test, so no need of any correction. Okay, so in that way the answer is P is true, Q is false, R is true. Thank you so much. Please keep watching and share with your friends. Thank you.